Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a legit remote job that pays over $60,000 per year, offers flexible hours, and no investment required, you're in the right place. Because today, I'm showing you exactly how you can become a remote life insurance agent, work from home, or literally anywhere in the US. I'll walk you through how this job works, how much you can earn, how to apply, and where to find real openings, step by step. So stay till the end, because I'm also going to show you how to find these jobs directly on LinkedIn, in real time. Let's start with the basics. What exactly does a remote life insurance agent do? In simple terms, you help people choose the right insurance policy to protect their families, their homes, or their future. You're not out there knocking on doors or visiting offices. Instead, you do everything online, through Zoom meetings, phone calls, or emails. Most companies will provide you with training materials, scripts, and leads, meaning they give you the list of people to call or contact. Your job is to educate them about different life insurance options, answer their questions, and help them sign up for the right plan. That's it. You're the bridge between the company and the customer. It's actually one of the most popular entry-level remote sales jobs in the US right now. Now let's talk about the best part, the money. The average salary for a remote life insurance agent in the US is around $55,000 to $65,000 per year, according to Glassdoor and Indeed. And that's just the base salary. You also earn commissions, meaning every time someone buys a policy through you, you earn a bonus. Some top-performing agents make $80,000 to even $100,000 a year once they gain experience. The more clients you help, the more you earn. And you can do it entirely from home. Now you might be thinking, do I need a fancy degree or years of experience? The answer is no. You don't need any specific college degree, but you do need good communication skills, basic computer knowledge, and a willingness to learn. If you're good at talking to people, explaining things clearly, and being patient, this role will fit you perfectly. Some companies may ask you to get a life insurance license, but don't worry. They'll usually guide you through the process or sponsor your exam cost. Now let's get to the real tutorial part. Here's how you can find verified remote life insurance agent jobs using LinkedIn. This method works for anyone in the US. Step 1. Go to linkedin.com/jobs. Step 2. In the search bar, type Remote Life Insurance Agent. Then, under Location, select United States and click Remote in the filter. Step 3. You'll see hundreds of real job openings. Companies like AAA Insurance, Lincoln Financial Group, Mutual of Omaha, Globe Life, and New York Life regularly post remote agent positions. Step 4. Once you find a listing you like, click Apply on Company website. Most companies have a short online application where you'll upload your resume and fill out basic info. Step 5. After applying, you'll usually get an email for a short virtual interview, sometimes just a phone screening. That's it. If selected, you can start working entirely from home, just with a laptop, internet, and a quiet space. Here's what a typical workday looks like as a remote agent. You start your day by logging into your company dashboard. Check your assigned leads or appointments. Make calls or attend virtual meetings. Submit the details of each conversation in your CRM tool. Don't worry, they'll train you for that. Then, follow up with customers who are interested. Most agents work 35 to 40 hours per week, and since it's remote, you can often set your own schedule. If you want a stable, long-term remote career where you can grow your income every year, this is one of the best legit options. It's not like short-term gig apps or survey sites. This is a professional role where your skills actually build over time. Plus, once you're licensed, you can even start your own small agency later and earn passive income from renewals. If this video helped you understand how a remote life insurance job works, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want to learn about a no-experience, high-paying remote app that's hiring right now, then help us hit our 1,000 subscriber challenge as fast as possible. Because once we hit it, I'll reveal that app in the next video. So make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell, and comment below if you want the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with another real remote opportunity. Until then, take care and keep growing.